Today I'm gonna see what inside. I just eat it. But this one is spilled. I don't know. I don't want to I like it, but I just eat this one. So I'm gonna eat one first. I'm gonna eat this one finish. I can eat another.
How the Tesla in it?
Yummy. I did like chocolate. How about this strawberry and vanilla? Why the chocolate? Get out. You're not gonna sleep into your chocolate. This is not your home. This is your friend. That time mommy bought it for me, and I see inside is strawberries. Do you see that inside? There's strawberry. Yeah. It's yummy. I know there's some frosting in my mouth. This is frost. So, can you give me a napkin? I need a napkin. Give me a napkin. I need to clean. Give me a napkin. Thank you, Mommy. It's kind of yummy. I'm not going to taste vanilla.
It's good?
Yeah, but I can taste the strawberry, but I'm not going to taste the vanilla.
It's yummy.
Why is this dirty?
It's yummy.
My favorite ice cream is vanilla. Yummy. Mommy, do you want to try one?
No.
Give me some.
Okay. Which one you want to pick?
Anyone. Small
There,
one.
I want to have the strawberry with chocolate and the sugar with some frosting.
Strawberry with chocolate.
Okay.
Small one. It's enough.
Here we go.
Oh, that's too big. Oh, wow. Yummy. Yeah, delicious. Very tasty, yeah.
Brother like the sugar one, but my brother don't like this one inside. Last time my mommy buy the whole big, small basket of donuts, but brother see this is not how they sell my brother eat. Or it's have this thing inside. Look guys, you can see the white and the pink because there's white and this is white and pink and this is pink, okay? Look inside the donut. It's really cool. At school, my friend want to borrow a donut I share. Because my mommy buy it for me. Are you crazy? there's space. Whoa, this is a big strawberry. Tastes bad. The powder tastes bad. It tastes like coffee. I think I have to eat this thing. Sorry. After I can eat it when I lick. No. Do you want some doggy? No. Go away. You're not gonna eat.
You don't can eat?
Do you want it? Yeah. No. You go away. Hey. You not can eat because you're so young. Hey, you're gonna dirty my donut. Are you gonna dirty your mouth? Yeah, happy. This is a joke. Get out. Hey, you're missing my donuts. My donut's broken. Look at these. Oh my God, doggy. Hey, that's real. You fell on my donut.
On a kiwi.
Ew. Doggy.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
What I'm gonna do with you, doggy? I gonna hit you with my donut. Yeah! My favorite donut. And then you broke my donut powder. And then you, like a monster, I hit you on the head, doggy. Baby. That's crazy.
It's just me. I'm a dog. It's just baby dog.
I hate doggy. This is not a real dog, guys.
It's a
But
baby.
I want to make it a real dog.
Oh, look at it.
But it's a pillow.